Obsidian 3102. Let's do this. We are going to randomize this list 5 times. The team on top at the end goes to person spot. On team on the bottom goes to person spot number 45. Here we go. 1, 2. We'll just drag that over a little bit. I think that's what. Yeah, there it is. 3, 4, and 5. Belgium on top and Paris Saint-Germain on the bottom. That is 5 times. Listen. Let's go. And I've been having a little thing where I read out the teams that hit in this, so let's keep up with that. Triple date with Tabby, 6 memberships. Oh, here we go. Brian Joe just told me the coach last season pitch, even though he's 50, he was better than the other players. Wow. Let's do this thing. Hello, Hendo. First up, purple of to 99 to. Jeez, I can't even see. 60, Pablo Finals. That is for West Ham United Vitreous. Not one of my favourite sets. That's it, Jimmy P. That's literally, well, I wouldn't drink, but, and I probably would have to find a vegetarian hot dog. So you're telling me, Tabby, all those years you've never been to a Geelong Korea game?
Never really came to my forefront attention, no.
KBO support the Hanwha Eagles. I feel like I've heard of the Hanwha Eagles. Nice little Pablo Finals. That is for West Ham. West Ham is weird. I'm going to just give these ones out as we do it. Just make it a little bit easier. Spot 35. Thomas Cochran, old TC. Are we going this year?
Yeah, I'm not too crazy on a membership.
Why not? Dani Olmo for Spain, number to 195. You wouldn't just get a membership.
No, I'll go to 1 or 2 games, yeah, if you want to.
Tabby, get a membership.
I want one.
Why not?
Please. I don't have that money to spend.
38. 38 is Emmanuel Giola. Congratulations.
I'm not going to get a Geelong Korea membership before I get an Essendon Bombers membership.
It's to support the local team. Thank you, Laker. Laker and I are now on the. We've joined in the chorus. Dagba, Colin Dagba, purple to 75 for PSG. Hanwha is where Ryu is from. Ah, I gotcha. Oh wow, that's a bad way to know of it. He's a lunch-eating dog. Yep.
Hey, Laker.
Joaquin Aguilera, congratulations. Oh, well, I'll just go hang out with Laker and Stacey at the...
Oh, Stacey's going to be there.
Well, that's why you said 6 memberships. It's 5 now. No, it's 5 now. You're out, Tabby. Taylor's still coming along. To 149, Eruption of Diego Costa. Did you hear what I whispered, Tabby? Oh, God. I'm sorry about this, Laker. Diego Costa. Who the hell does Diego Costa play for? Tabby, I have no idea what team that is. Up next to 149, it is for Germany.
That's
Mario Götze.
Madrid.
Is it? Mario Götze to 149 for Germany. You 100%? You're not.
I'll lock it in, Eddie.
Germany, spot 21. Talon, congratulations.
Lock it in. I locked it in. And
Absolutely. Easy. Cool. Done, Tabby. Good work. Is there any thick top loaders you can grab me from that little hole that you created? To 149. Nice. Aldo Serena for Internazionale Milano.
what thickness?
Probably like 130-ish. Aldo Serena, that is to 149 for Milano.
For the Costa?
Yep, and the one underneath Toulouse. Spot 23, Talon Huang. Congratulations. 2 nice cards there. As in card or thing. And this is very nice to 49, Virgil Van Dijk. Jersey auto for Liverpool FC. Let's see who's got Liverpool.
As an auto.
Yeah.
Oh,
Spot 8, Steven. The man's so nice and named him twice. That is beautiful.